Ruth and I'm here with Andrea Williams. She's a registered medical herbalist and she's coming to talk to us about stinging nettle.
Yes, I am, and Urtica dioica is the botanical name. This little gem here is from Britain. The whole herb is used and collected just prior to or during flowering. You definitely need gloves because it's very, very stingy, and it's not nice to be stung by that. Vitamins A, B2, C, E, carotenoids like chlorophyll and beta-carotene and vitamin K is great in this plant, and the fresh extracts contain vitamin B1 as well. Now, nettle is also relatively high in calcium and potassium salt, salicylic acid and iron, so it's a very, very nutritive herb. Also contains manganese and copper. Now, the root is used to treat prostatic issues and also chronic cystitis. The rest of the herb is used for allergic rhinitis due to current research, stomach hemorrhaging, menorrhagia, because it has an anti-hemorrhagic action, which means it helps reduce bleeding. There is so much research on nettle, and there's so many wonderful benefits, and we find out more and more exciting things about nettle, which is great. It makes a beautiful spring tonic. So how do you use it?
Well, I use it as a soup.
Oh yeah.
And I also use it as a tea. And you know what? My kids actually don't mind it.
Wow, that's pretty good.
It's pretty good. So when I first started using it, when you'd wash it and then you'd chuck drain it, and then you'd see the little green little dot things in the bottom, and I thought it was aphids, so I kept, I better wash it again, and then there'd be more, and what's this? And I realised it's actually the seeds.
Yes, we need those, don't we?
Yeah, so they're really good, and I was throwing them away, so you don't be afraid of the seeds. So a good way to identify this is obviously the prickles, pretty intense, as well as the way that the leaves come out. So it'll go this way, and then this one will go this way, and the next one will go that way. I quite like the way God designed that, so it's just another way to a good identifying feature of it.
Yeah, I think that's a good point to make.
Yeah. So I also dry it, so for tea, so I can store it for later. So you can use it fresh in a tea, but you can also dry it. So that's what I've done with it.
So we definitely don't use it in salads.
Yeah.
Because it would be very stingy on the tongue. And we probably wouldn't use it as a prank on somebody because it would be very, very sore. Because remember to use gloves, and it's very, very stingy.
Yeah. So next time you're doing the gardening, don't just get rid of it, even if it's just a little one. Just pop it in, wash it off, put it in a cup, pour some hot water on, have a drink.
Yeah.
Put it in your smoothie and your veggie juice, whatever. It's actually pretty good.
Right, that sounds great.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for coming and talking to us about it. So I hope you guys get a chance to use it yourself.